think people will really love the architectural effect of this building. It was very carefully thought out to fit in and flow with this part of campus.
The facility is designed around providing greater clinical experiences for our students in the way that they care for patients. It has a simulation facility that allows us to help them develop their hand-eye coordination so that they can be better prepared for their clinical years in education.
This is the student commons area.
And then there are some communal parts of the building that create experiences for students and faculty and staff to informally get together. Lunchtime breaks, early afternoon, before school starts, after, to create a greater community within the college. The expansion of Postle Hall aligns itself nicely with the way the Health Science District is expanding its support for service delivery as well as education within a multi-healthcare operation.
Although this project from the outside looks like it's done, we're probably around 50% complete. We have the east facade and the south facade brickwork masonry done. The masons are currently moving their equipment around to the west facade. We're doing interior framing, starting to build the windows. You can see the detail, the exterior envelope, and we're doing drywall.
Over time, this will help us recruit some of the best students in the world to come and study here. I'm looking forward to hiring faculty who want to take advantage of the wonderful things we're bringing here to our college. We've got to make this place really special for the people that work there, that are educated there, that discover new solutions to problems. And that really, for me, is the exciting venture we're headed into.